Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to upload high quality video on TikTok from your computer. So first go to tiktok.com and then log in using your number, and then just input your number here, and then once you've done doing that, just click send code and then input here the code that you will receive from your SMS. And then click login. And then you click upload on the upper right corner right here. And then just select video to upload from your computer. Click select file. You just have to put the caption, select a cover. You can also edit the video here just like how you do it on the mobile phone. And then you can edit who can see your video. And then you can also schedule your postings and run a copyright check, and that's it. That's how you upload TikTok from your PC. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.